Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we have a complex exponent and I want to show us how we can simplify it. Alright, solution. We have x raised to the power 3 over cube root of x, everything raised to the power 2, then square root of x raised to the power 4. Alright, so our denominator here can also be written as x raised to the power 1 over 3, alright, then everything raised to the power 2 multiplied by x square root of x raised to the power 4. Right, so we apply one of the laws of indices that says that if we have a raised to the power x over a raised to the power y, okay, so everything raised to the power uh, w, then it becomes a raised to the power x w over a raised to the power y w. Okay, this can be applied. So what it means is that we have x raised to the power 3 raised to the power these 2, and also in the denominator 2 has that x raised to the power 2. Right, so and then this can also be written as x raised to the power 1 over 2, and then we have this power 4. From here we can do 3 times 2 will give us 6, and then 1 over 3 times 2 will give us 2 over 3, then multiply by 2 here 1, 2 here 2, we have x raised to the power 2. Alright, so this can multiply this, we have x raised to the power 6 multiplying x raised to the power 2, everything over x raised to the power 2 over 3. Look at another law of indices that says that if a raised to the power x multiply a raised to the power y, it becomes a raised to the power x plus y. Alright, so and that means that here we have x raised to the power 6 plus 2 over x raised to the power 2 over 3, and then that gives x raised to the power 8 divided by x raised to the power 2 over 3. Another law says that if we have a raised to the power x divided by a raised to the power y, it becomes a raised to the power x minus y, and that means that we have this to be x raised to the power 8 minus 2 over 3. Right, and then let's do 8 over 1 minus 2 over 3. We have 3 as our LCM. How many 1 can we see in 3? Is 3 times 8, 24. How many 3 can we see in 3? 1 times 2 is 2. So what do we have? We have 22 over 3. Right, so we have x raised to the power 22 over 3. This is the final answer in exponential form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share. Alright, see you later.